My name's John Geelhoed. I'm the MRI modality manager. I'm one of the MRI radiographers. I just wanted to give you a quick explanation about what MRI is and how that's going to help with your examination today. MRI, it's a very strong magnetic field. It uses a combination of the magnetic field and some radio pulses to generate a very good image of all of those soft, squishy parts of the body. MRI is great for many areas of the body that other traditional imaging modalities are not so good at capturing. What we want you to do is to first of all come into our change room. We're going to get you to take off any clothing items that have got metallic items on them, just so that our images are nice and free of any artefacts or distortion. You're going to go into the MRI machine. You're going to be lying on a table that's nice and comfortable, and we'll give you some radio music to listen to through that process. You get a call buzzer to keep a hold of in your hand through the whole examination. If you have any problems at all, you just give it a squeeze and we'll be straight in to see you. We're just outside the scan room door all the time driving the computer, so we're just a couple of seconds away. We'll pop what we call a surface coil or an antenna around the body area we're going to image. We'll generate the images, and then at the end of the examination today we'll give those to you to take away with you. The results will generally be a couple of hours, and we'll email those directly onto your doctor for you, so there won't be any need to wait around for an extended period. We should have you on the road within 5 to 10 minutes of having the examination. QTI uses a 3 Tesla magnetic field, and that generates the clearest possible images that we can in the quickest possible scan time. So that's the latest and greatest in terms of the MRI technology at this point in time.